This holiday season, ditch the packaged glaze. You don't add mystery packet of stuff that comes with your ham. Let's teach you how to make a 4-ingredient glaze that'll go great with anything, especially holiday ham. The first and most important ingredient, butter. Next is brown sugar. Make sure you get the packed brown sugar, not the raw kind. This will give it a beautiful caramel flavor. Once that sugar is nice and dissolved, it's time to add your pineapple juice. You can use any fruit juice you like. Most people use orange juice or pineapple juice. Just make sure that it is canned, not fresh. Just bring this to a light simmer so when you add the thyme, it sucks all of those beautiful herby juices out of the thyme. Lastly, enter the thyme. Just pop it right in and let all of that heat suck that beautiful juice out. You can let that simmer for about 5 or 6 minutes. The more you let it reduce, the thicker the syrup becomes, and you don't want too hard of a shell on your ham. This glaze took less than 10 minutes. We use it to make one of my favorite things, pineapple ham. Check out the link for that recipe video. If you want more unique recipes like this video and follow us for more.